Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out what works best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So hello guys everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So the first step that we have to do is just dive into Zoho.com, Square.com, and we have also here Odoo.com, Sortly.com, Bittrex24.com. Alright, so let's know the benefits of each one. For example, we have here the first one, which is Zoho. So Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of over 45 integrated applications, making it one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality. With competitive pricing and cloud-based access, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So this is it. Right now you have just to click over signing up and you will find our page, which is this one. You have to write your email address, your password, you click over agree to your terms and you click over sign up for free. So this is for Zoho. You can just read also this information to more understand about how it works. We have here about something dependent on products, alright? And we have here customers, company as well. Then we have here other options like blog community, find a partner, support, and contact us. So this is it. Right now we have here Square. So this is Square.com. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, businesses can easily manage costs. Plus, robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decisions making. Alright, so to get started, you have just to click over get started and you will find this page. You have to write your email address. Here we have signing up for Square. It's fast and free, no commitments or long-term contracts required. You have just to write your email address, your password, you choose your local if it's a United States, you click over agree to your terms and you click over continue. This is it for Square. So it's very helpful. Also we have here in the pricing, once you click over pricing you will find here firstly it's for free, as you can see, sell in person, online, over the phone, or out in the field. No setup fees or monthly fees. Only pay when you take a payment already. So then we have here Odoo. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive suite of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable modules allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So you have just to click over try for free or you click over start, it's free. And you'll find this page. You have firstly to choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card required. You choose, for example, if it's sales and you click over continue and you get started with this one. So this is it for this one. You have just to choose it right now, and this is then we have here the option of pricing. Let's know what is the pricing. Here we have it's for free, one app free, for one app only, unlimited users or the online, so you can just choose one app. So here we have all apps. Also here we have all apps. You can choose other package like the standard one or the customer. Alright, then we have here Sortly. So Sortly features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for businesses with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So you have just to click over start a free trial and you will find this page. As you can see, you have just to sign in up with Google. You write your full name, work email, create password. This is the option to create an account using email address or using the option of Google. Alright, Then that's it for Sortly, and let's move on to the next one. But before, let's know the pricing of the Sortly.com. So here we have it's for free, as you can see. Best for getting started, we have here 100 unique items, one user license, and also we have other packages. You can choose the one you want. So this is it about this one. And let's move on to the Bitrix24. So Bitrix24.com provides a comprehensive suite of tools combining CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making full workflows smoother. With a flexible pricing model, including a free version, it caters to businesses of all sizes. So to get started, you have just to click over Start for free, and you'll find this page. You have to write your email address. You select that you are no robot, and you get started. Then we have here the price and here. So about the price, and we have here the free one, and we have the basic one here, standard, professional. About the free one, here we have 5 GB for free, unlimited also, and this is it for the pricing of Bitrix24. So if I had to pick one, Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive suite of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finances. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for business of all sizes. So it's just my point of view, and it's dependent to me. You can choose the one you want, and you get started with it. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. To more understand for each platform, you have just to go here and you search for some information, like here we have sales. So if you want to more understand and choose the platform that you want, for example, here Zoho, you can find here all his benefits and his characteristics. Also, you'll find here the sites, Zoho One, Marketplace, Export or product as well. Then we have here customers as well. And then we have here company. For example, we have here about us, our story, rule reveal. We have press, events, careers, humans of Soho, the long game as well. So then we have here also Square. You can just read this information. Then we have here Odo, Sortly, Bitrix, and then you get started with that. So this is how it works with all this platform. They have the same goal, which is streamline your operation, boost efficiency, and save you money. So you have just to choose the platform that you want and you get started. So this is it for this video. See you again in the next video.